We are here today at Putnam Northern Westchester BOCES, seeing the amazing programs that they are offering our students. We are also here to celebrate the huge win we had this year in terms of updating the BOCES aid formula and increasing the BOCES salary cap. This is a huge win for us, and it's going to make a tremendous difference for the students and the school's ability to provide what all of our kids need. Today we saw amazing CTE programs, we saw carpentry, electrical, HVAC, we saw culinary, we saw kids doing digital media. I mean, these programs really lighting kids up and letting them find their passion, their thing that is going to lead them into their future and a sustainable career that they can rely on. Unbelievable programs here at this BOCES, and they are in the process of investing and expanding and starting to get some of those kids off wait lists that we've been targeting. This BOCES also has amazing special education programs and the inclusive environment that they have created to give all kids access to education, to all of the related services and the occupational therapies and other therapies that they need. It's really unbelievable. Not only do the students love the programs, but the educators here that lead these programs love this work as well. You see folks who came up through the programs and then went out into industry and came back. And they're growing their own here. They are investing in the future of the industries in the surrounding areas and investing in their communities. And it's such a critically important work.